Good morning, guys. It's Ray at CMA, and I got something to show you. So, hey, what's up, Kevin? So, this is why body filler, aka Bondo, gets such a bad name. Let me get in a better light. So, I'm stripping this hood, and I thought originally that it might have been a high build primer. Well, surprise, surprise. Why does it cost so much just to paint my car? Surprise, surprise. This hood is covered. It's like this is nothing but body filler. It's all body filler. Why? I don't know. But I'll find out when I get there. But I just want you to see this. This is why these are the surprises that you find when you're removing paint. And this is why it takes so long. I just want a paint job. Okay. Well, see for yourself. But hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next one and when this thing is stripped down to metal, and we're going to see what surprises we find then. See ya.